gentlemen, pwede ba ako makarinig ng isang masigabong palakpakan dyan? Love the energy that I am feeling tonight. It's truly an honor to welcome each and every one of you here at Acacia Alabang Hotel. Welcome to our Salo-Salo dinner, the official kick-off to the Game Zone Table Game Champions Cup September Arena. Tonight, we're not just launching a tournament. We're celebrating camaraderie, culture at ang pagiging tunay na kampiyon ng bawat isa sa inyo. Mabuhay! My name is So Stretch and I'll be your host for tonight's event. And I have to say, ganda experience, laro, panalo, ang ganda ng Game Zone. Experience real games with real players, dito lang yan sa GTCC September Arena. This tournament is a high-stakes two-day event at the Philinvested with a massive 10 million prize pool. Gusto niyo ba yan? Siyempre naman! Alam ko excited na kayo. Kaya naman, our nation's top 36 strongest players are here tonight, ready to battle it out for a chance to win millions. Our action starts tomorrow at 8 a.m. September 20th. And the top 3 will competing in the final round competition. Kaya ang tanong, sino kaya ang magiging kampiyon ngayong taon? Ayan, sumigaw ang gustong manalo ngayong taon. Gusto ko yan! Diba? I love the energy. Everyone is so excited. But of course, beyond the competition itself, we are honored and proud to be partnering with the Bingo Plus Foundation. Maraming salamat po for gracing us tonight. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Our players will get to vote for one of the foundation's core pillar, and your vote will determine which cause receives a generous 1 million donation from Game Zone. So relax everybody, bring the smiles and feel the vibe because this is just the beginning. Check muna tayo ng energy natin ngayon. When I say ready, you say Game Zone. Ready? Game Zone! Ayan mo, handang-handa na ang bawat isa. Kaya naman at this point, let's take a moment to acknowledge and thank our VIPs and special guests for tonight. Once again, thank you so much for gracing us tonight. And to officially open our program for tonight's event, it's time to welcome the visionary behind the Game Zone. With over 25 years, he has gained extensive experience in the fast-moving consumer goods, renewable energy, and gaming and hospitality industries. He has also gathered extensive experience in supply chain management, operations research, corporate planning, and investment analysis and management. Mga ka-Game Zone, please join me in welcoming the President of Game Master Integrated Incorporation, Mr. Rafael Jasper S. Vicencio. So much, President Vicencio, for that inspiring message. And of course, everyone, alam ko naman, gusto natin ng pampasiglang bilang. Gusto niyo po bang makakita ng napakahusay na ating performance? Gusto niyo po ba yun? Siyempre naman. Kaya get on your feet and make some noise because we're about to kick things off in an electrifying celebration of culture and rhythm. These dances represent the heart and soul of the Philippines. So get ready to be amazed as our incredible performers bring centuries to the stage. Please join me in welcoming the Dazzle! Mabuhay ang kultura ng Pilipino, sabi nga ng ating presidente. Mabuhay ang mga manlalarong Pilipino. And this time, everyone, I can truly feel the spirit of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and excellence in this room. Magpapalaro tayo. Ayan, sinong gusto ng papremyo ngayong gabi? Nyo ang salitang ganda, gagawin nyo ang ganda pose. Paano ang ganda pose? Ganda! Yan, with smile, guys, with smile. Ganda po, ganda. O, yung mga game master po natin, pagpasensyahan nyo po. Buong gabi na po kasi silang nagtatrabaho. Pagpasensyahan po natin. Okay, ganda? Alright, ladies and gentlemen. While you enjoy your dinner, here's another treat for your senses. Let us all welcome, once again, the Dazzle. Ayan, palakpakan po natin sila. Maraming salamat, Barbie. Grabe! Iba talaga ang game zone! Talagang game na game! Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga nag-perform. Nag-enjoy po ba ang lahat? I can feel the energy. Maraming salamat. Pero, syempre, kung meron tayong grouping kanina na nag-perform, ay, hindi rin naman magpapawala. Ang Group A, nasaan ang mga Group A? Please welcome Shona Reyes. Ang ating big winner, Shona Reyes! Grabe yun! Grabe, nakahinga po ba kayo dun sa kanta niya? Sige po, bibigyan po natin ng mga tote bag po, yung mga nag-perform dahil po binigyan po nila tayo ng energy. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kaya naman, para sa ating unang tanong, third question, anong ulam ang madalas may sabaw pero minsan walang laman? Anong ulam ang madalas may sabaw pero minsan walang laman? Everybody who wants... Sinigang! Sinigang is... correct! Meron po kayo tumatagintig na tote bag. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Sumisigaw.
Sumisigaw! Pwede po? Sumisigaw is correct! Paano po yung sigaw? Gusto po kasi namin malaman. Okay, nag-brown out! Ah! Parang kailangan niyo ng saklolo. Sige po, maraming salamat po. Iba po, ayan po, natanggap niyo yung prize. Ano sasabihin mo? Salamat! Maraming salamat po ka nabusog siya. And Burmans na, everybody. Kailan nagsisimula ang Paskong Pinoy? Muli, kailan nagsisimula ang Paskong Pinoy? Mabuhay ang manlalarong Pinoy. And together with our beloved President, let us raise the toast as we officially open this tournament to fair play, to teamwork, and to unforgettable moments. Cheers, everybody! Cheers and good luck! We really show the spirit of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and the excellence in this room. At sabi nga sa Game Zone, ganda experience, laro panalo, ang ganda ng Game Zone. Dito lang yan sa GTCC September Arena. Our last question for a trivia question before we proceed sa ating picture taking ay, tapakan niyo muna ang sarili niyo. Kasi ngayon pala, actually, panalo na kayong lahat. Advance congratulations to each and every one of you. And talaga namang, what a night. Nararamdaman natin ang spirit ng camaraderie, sportsmanship, at excellence ng ating mga players. Dahil right now, everyone, kasama lang naman natin ang ating nation's top 36 players. Ang tanong, sino kaya ang magiging kampiyon ngayong taon? Ayan, isigaw nyo kung sa tingin nyo kayo ang mananalo! Larong panalo, ang ganda ng Game Zone. Experience real games with real players. Dito lang yan sa GTCC September Arena. Meron pa po tayong social hour, everyone. So feel free to stay while hanging out with your friends and do networking with each and everyone. Wish you all the very best of luck. Once again, this is your host, Rash. Maraming salamat po, and I hope you enjoy your day. Maraming salamat. Once again, good luck and goodbye. Thank you so much.